Do you often read, study, or research online? Spend hours learning from countless web pages only to forget where you saw that one line? You dig through your browser history to find something you read earlier? Or keep endless browser windows and tabs open just so you don't lose what you learned? Sounds familiar? Meet your new web learning companion, the Bina Pani Academy Chrome extension. Turn every web page into your personal study resource. Found something worth remembering? Just select it and convert it into a flashcard instantly. Our smart algorithm understands text, images, even latex, and builds concise, meaningful flashcards for you. Want to save an entire article or the full web page? Let the AI filter out noise, capture what truly matters, and automatically create multiple flashcards. Stay organized with built-in history and subject chapter looks. Review all your flashcards anytime on the Bina Pani Academy platform. Your data stays private, your ideas preserved. No more lost pages, no forgotten notes, just pure learning. Transform your browsing into meaningful learning today. Install the Bina Pani Academy Chrome extension and make every click count.